How to add a profile picture on your account on Instagram PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a profile picture on your account on Instagram PC. So all what you have to do is go to Instagram. This is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on your profile picture and click on settings. It will take you directly to this page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just click on this change profile photo option, and then you can choose the photo that you want easily and fast. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this photo. If I have a photo here, okay, I don't have, but anyway, you can choose the photo and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.